Hey everybody, it's me. Yep, Greg Mannarino back again on this exceptionally, exceedingly lovely day. Thursday, July 12th, 2018. A lot of stuff I want to talk about. I don't know where to begin. You know, I don't script any of this. It just comes out of my head here. Let's start off with the basics. Always best to do that. Stocks rallied today, erasing all of the losses from yesterday. I mean, 24 hours, you know, we have a schizophrenic market. You know, down 200 points yesterday, today up 225 regarding the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Well, you know, we did find out that inflation hit a 6-year high today, basically erasing any benefit whatsoever with regard to any wage increases that we've seen over the past year. Oh, that's a great thing. Market loves that. You know, consumer debt now at a new all-time record high. People are in debt beyond their eyeballs. That's a good thing too. Market loves that. They're pushed today again. The mainstream financial channels are pushing the absolutely 100% false narrative that there is a housing shortage. There is a shortage of affordable housing. And millennials are being blamed. All my lovely friends out here who are millennials that I love, I will fight for you. And that's exactly what I'm doing. They have to blame someone. The millennials aren't buying houses, you know. Oh, well, maybe because most millennials are earning an average salary. And on their average salary, they can't afford a home because homes are in a bubble. That's the definition of a bubble. When any asset moves above the ability for the average guy or the average girl to afford it, you have a bubble. But they cannot let you know that. It's a shortage of housing. It's insane. But again, it's the charade. It's the look here, don't look here, blame somebody else for what's going on. These distortions in this market are epic. Epic. And they're getting worse. I know I'm getting ahead of myself here. Let me get my thoughts here together. So again, markets rallied today off of a whole string of things, which you would imagine would be negative, of course, but no. That's not the case here. This is again some kind of twisted Frankenstein reality that we're all stuck in, but that's a good thing. That is a good thing for you. It's a good thing for me. I had one of the best trading days of a long time today. I ripped the face off of this market beyond recognition, like a 5.77 Tyrannosaur rifle. I fired at this market this morning, and I posted my positions all over the place, so you know what they were. And I also posted when I closed them. I posted the gains too. Snapshot right off of my trading site there, so you know. Oh, for all you trolls out here that are sitting home sucking your thumb in your mom's basement, I guarantee you that I made more money than you did today. This is for the trolls. I love my trolls too. Let me just say that too. You know, the trolls in a lot of ways really helped me throughout the years, and I honestly should give them all a debt of gratitude, for which I am doing right here. Okay, with that out of the way, pet the trolls. Pet them all. A whole bunch of them. Okay. Anyway. Dollar caught a slight bid today. Gold and silver caught a bid today. Bonds caught a bid today. Cryptos, I have to say, I hate what they're doing to cryptocurrencies. They got hammered. I mean, I think the average crypto today fell 3 or 4%. You all know that I do own these things, and I'm still, look, I'm just going to hold on to these things until who knows whatever. I know I get upset sometimes about it, but I'm just going to forget about it. Kind of like metals too. Understand, the war on metals and the war on cryptocurrency is in full swing. They want you in that dollar. In fact, they want everything they can right now in the stock market, pushing false narratives, ignoring glaring sirens like the yield curve, for which, I mean, I don't know how many of you watch the mainstream financial channels. They're all talking about that yield curve. This guy here has been talking about it years before these imbeciles all caught up. But, you know, they were a little slow. So maybe we should I should be nicer to them, maybe. I don't know. I don't want to be nicer to them. I'll be honest with you. They don't deserve it because they're lying to you, and that pisses me off. Quite frankly, how many times have I said you're not going to lose under this guy's watch? Speaking of not losing under this guy's watch, okay, people, I've done something yet again to try to make your life easier. On my website, traderschoice.net. Link in the description of this video. Just above my swing trading chart, you're going to see my personal watch list now. There are 9 specific tickers that I constantly watch, and I'm more than likely in 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 of them at any given time, unless I tell you I'm not in anything, which I do share all the time. And I told you exactly how I was going to play this market yesterday. I said I was waiting for the right time to strike, and I broke out my freaking 577 Tyrannosaur. How many of you know what that is? Anyway, and I unleashed here, and I did really good. And I hope all of you did as well. It's not hard. I want you to capitalize on what's going on around you in every way. For the long haul, it's precious metals, period, the end. That's it. Cryptocurrencies, you can hold them too. I'm still holding mine. You know that. I would not be adding to them right here until you see something turn around with them. That's just my take on it. And I know I'm probably going to take some heat for it. But look, I'm kind of like I said, I'm just holding them for now. But with regard to this market, I cannot stress to you enough that this is the gift that keeps on giving. And every single thing that you need is free and on my website. So take advantage of it and share it. Get it out there. Let more people see this. Because, like I said, we are not going to lay down and be sheared. It's not going to happen. No, absolute zero. So anyway. Going off the deep end as usual here, people. All right, so look, I'm going to kind of close this video today. We are going to resume the festivities in the morning. I am not in anything right now. I closed all my positions early today. I had a nice day, nice relaxing day for the most part here, following these markets, listening to the talking heads and rolling around in laughter with some of the absolutely brain-dead people that they bring out on these shows. You know, the script readers. I'm telling you what they do. I know it for a fact. I'm just kind of making this up. I don't really know it for a fact. But I believe that they go outside of the studio and they find some unfortunate person in the street that's homeless, more than likely. They offer them, I don't know, a meal or something. They dress them up in a suit. They have the makeup artist dress them up and say, okay, read this. Let's tell everyone how there's a shortage of housing, but let's not tell them that there's a shortage of affordable housing, because we got to keep the narrative going here. You got it? All right, look, we'll see you tomorrow morning, and it's going to start off lovely, I am sure. Honestly, I have no idea what this market's going to do tomorrow, but whatever it does, I got my Tyrannosaur waiting to take advantage of it, and so should you. Go check out that my personal watch list, which is on my website. So what I want you to do, just real quick, I know I'm going off the deep end, so now you know all the ticker symbols that I follow every single day. Just take that ticker, any one of them, for example, Apple is the first one on my list, and put it into that chart on the bottom, and then say, ha! This is what it's telling me. It's very simple to read these charts, people. Take advantage of it, and I will. See you in the morning.